Fuck, this heavy. His signature. By the wet GT. What the hell am I supposed to check? How am I supposed to open this?
I don't know.
Motherfucker. Ah, like that. I'm a genius. Comes in a tiny box. I open the
Right.
box. Shit, that means I gotta cut it.
Here. Yeah, careful not to cut the inside. Right.
Alright.
It's a game.
Oh, the bus. It's beautiful. I'm not gonna touch it, I don't fucking know.
Right. Check out the game.
I
Check
better
out the
check
game.
whether any of the parts are fucked up.
Check out the game after that.
Guns are all fine. None of the parts should somewhere. Shit.
Check out the game. Check out the game.
Some shit. About the bus. Game time. Oh fuck. Fucking game's just stuck inside. It's a black. It's all black. It's not. It's different than limited edition.
Knife.
Yeah, nice. Purple. So game time.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Open it. Open it.
Oh crap. Section 7. You will open
You get a standard edition in there.
game. Standard edition. But surprise. It's black.
Cool.
Instead of a green box.
Yeah.
And something else underneath, I think. Yes, I'm right.
Journal.
A note
A journal.
and a plastic bound journal, which I'm not gonna open. Collector's item.
Right.
It's so awesome.
That's sweet.
Cha-cha-cha.
You wanna open the game?
No,
Okay.
not yet. Actually, why not?
Yeah. Man, box is actually detailed. You know, you can see from the side.
You're not even pointing to the camera, is it?
I know. I don't know whether the camera can see it.
Oh, I'm sure it can. It's a legendary edition. Bonus content.
Does it give you a live card?
Includes Spartan armor, flaming helmet, elite armor, Falcon avatar, behind the scenes, 2-day gold membership.
It's only one
Booklet.
disc.
Yeah, booklet, one disc. Only one.
Thought
Says
there's
Halo Reach.
two.
Nah, they lied.
Ah. Okay. You done?
Game time's over. Shit.
Right.